Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to upload an image in Perplexity AI. So let's get straight into it. Now first thing what you need to do is log in into your account. Then you will see here, let's say in the new chat, this icon here at the bottom left of the space where you type and ask AI to do something. So you will see here plus icon, click on it, and then you will see upload file or images. So click on that, and now what you need to do is basically just find what you want to input, which picture you want to add in, just like that. Now I have add JPEG. You can also add PNG or web file from your device. And now you can basically also type something in, so you can analyze, or you can transcription, or you can search about that image, or you can also make me a story, something like that. Story, short, funny, just like that. What you can also do is basically, if you already know where you have that photos, you can also just drag and drop into it, just like that. Sorry. So just like that. Oh, okay. So obviously you need to have the pro version that you can do that, but you can also drag and drop these images. So this is basically how you can upload the images. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.